Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best indoor mosquito traps on the market, the DFAGIE fly trap. If you're tired of buzzing mosquitoes, fruit flies, and pesky insects invading your space, this might just be the solution you've been looking for. Imagine enjoying a peaceful evening without the constant annoyance of insects. The DFAGIE indoor fly trap promises to do just that with its innovative design and effective trapping mechanism. Let's start by unpacking what makes this device stand out. It uses soft blue-violet light to attract mosquitoes, gnats, moths, and more, drawing them into its trap without disturbing your sleep. This gentle but effective method ensures you can relax without the constant buzzing around your head. Unlike traditional insecticides, this trap uses adhesive cards that are odorless and safe for children and pets. It's a worry-free solution for indoor insect control. With its sleek white and gray exterior, the DFAGIE blends seamlessly into any room decor. The directed light ensures it won't be intrusive, focusing on attracting insects away from your direct line of sight. Operating at just 0.6 W, it's energy efficient and can run continuously without racking up your electricity bill. Each unit comes with 5 adhesive cards that securely trap insects once they're attracted to the light. They face the wall, discreetly hiding trapped insects from view. The DFAGIE fly trap isn't just effective. It's designed with convenience and effectiveness in mind. Whether you place it in your bedroom, kitchen, or living room, it quietly works in the background to keep your space insect-free. Many users rave about how easy it is to use and the peace of mind it provides, especially in homes with children and pets. To wrap it up, if you're looking for an indoor fly trap that not only works but looks good doing it, the DFAGIE fly trap is a solid choice. It's affordable, eco-friendly, and most importantly, it gets the job done without harsh chemicals or noisy fans. I've left a link in the description below where you can find more information or pick one up for yourself. If you've tried the DFAGIE fly trap or have any questions, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.